In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your first Twitter outreach campaign within literally 5 minutes. Nothing more, okay? So 5 minutes, I'll help you set up the campaign on Xreacher for free, completely for free, okay? So let's get started. We'll add our personal profile here that I have on Twitter. So all you just have to do, sign up for free on Xreacher. Once you sign up, you're going to get here, okay? Click create new campaign. And right here, we are going to scrape leads first. So scrape new leads. You're on the free plan right now, so you can only scrape leads up to 50,000. But what I'm going to do, in my case, I'm targeting more. I'm targeting business owners that may be interested in cold outreach. Okay, so what I'm just going to do, take one of the recent Hormozi tweets that has, higher amount of retweets, and I'm just going to scrape his retweeters and people that comment, and I'm going to make a lead list out of that. Okay, so I'm going to take these people, and I don't really care about the keywords right now. I'm just going to exclude third world countries, and that's about it. I don't need anything else. Actually, I'm going to only include only people with external link, okay? So these are only people that have website links. I'm going to call it Hormozi tweets. And I'm going to scrape that. So I have a lead source right now. The next thing I need is to get a script. So to get a script, quickly I'm going to give you a few points. I normally just ask a quick question and make it like a really easy to answer question. So, hey, name, would you be down to try Twitter outreach for free if I'd help you set everything up within 5 minutes. No hidden fees. Okay, so that's going to be my outreach message. Actually, I need 3 of them. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to add 2 variations. This is hey, hi. I just do this for the sake of Twitter because more variations usually. Ideally I would be splitting out different creatives, but in this case I'm just running out of time. So by adding account, you can either add it with account credentials, which I highly recommend you, but for those of you that don't want to enter your credentials here, there is another way you can add your account. So if you're not comfortable doing that, it's going to be optimal for your experience with the software, but if not, then that's also all good. I'll add with cookies. So what do you have to do with cookies? You have to go here, click inspect, and you don't need to enter any of your logins, okay? So inspect, click here, find cookies. You can, by the way, watch a tutorial for this after the video. It's in the software, but I'm just doing it quickly. Alt token. You're just gonna pass your cookies, and these cookies will, get invalidated after you log out of the account. So the only problem here, actually add a proxy. Let me just quickly add a proxy. You will not have to add the proxy. Okay, I just added the account. Now I just select it. Go ahead and configure my options. And right here, I'm just gonna select the leads that I scraped. It's still scraping, but it's gonna allow me to hit the campaign. And right here, I will just adjust the run schedule between the hours I'm usually active. Let's select my time zone. And 50 DMs for now. That is for you if you are on the free plan. And that's literally it. So right now, I started the campaign. That's everything I need to do. And right now, I should start sending messages from my campaign. I'm just going to restart it in case. Of course, I set it up only to 8 o'clock, which is right now. It's 9 p.m. already, so I have to adjust it. But right now, okay, it started sending. So that's how easy it is to set up campaign on Xreacher, okay? You just need a Twitter account. You can set up a free account there and have no excuses, okay? So just set up this initial test. Just set it up as a test. Try it for once, okay? That's not gonna hurt you. If you're promoting, whatever you're promoting a website, your brand, free information, even if you're not selling. Like, just doing any form of outreach will help you out. Okay, so that's it about this video. If you want more details, watch the other videos or reach out to me on Telegram.